Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam dan bahagia. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Umi Saada and I'm from Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa University. Today, I'm going to present about my research article with the title is Increasing Student Attention in the Learning Process of Class 2 Through Icebreaking at SD Negeri Ngabean. It's a pleasure to have the opportunity to speak before you today. First, I will discuss the background of this research. Attention is important in learning activities. Sugiartono et al. 2007-76 state that attention is one of the important factors that influence learning because with attention, students will be interested and easily understand the material presented by the teacher. The same thing was stated by Gage and Berlin in Damayanti and Mujiono 2013-42. Attention has an important role in learning activities because without attention it is impossible for the learning progress to occur. Therefore, students should have attention during the learning process. The research conducted at SD Negeri Ngabean identified several issues hindering the learning progress in class 2. First, student is lack of attention in the learning process. 2. The atmosphere of teaching and learning activities is less interesting. 3. The lack of enthusiasm for student learning. 4. Teachers have never used icebreaking the learning process. One alternative that can be developed to help the problem is through icebreaking that are interested in the learning progress. Through icebreaking, it's hoped that the atmosphere in the learning process will be fun. Students who previously did not pay attention to the teacher during learning become active and motivated to learn. If students can maintain the concentration and attention well, students can understand the material in teaching and learning activities. Part 2 is method. Research design, classroom actions research (CAR) was caused as the research design to allow for interactive improvement of teaching practice. The study was conducted in accordance with Kurt Lewin four-step model of CAR: planning, action, observing, and reflecting. Participants: the study involved 27 second grade students, 15 girls and 12 boys, from Ngabean State Elementary School. Data collection, observation, research observation classroom activities to gather qualitative data on student behavior and engagement. Scale A rating scale was used to qualitative measure student action levels. Data analysis, both quantitative and qualitative data were analyzed to identify partner and trends. The calculation of score of the student attention scale ratio is as follows, and after obtaining the student attention score, the score can be categorized into five as stated by Sutrisno Hadi Suharsini Arikunto 2010 to 150. So this is the result and discussion. Comparison of student attention scale result in pre-cycle, cycle 1 and cycle 2. Based on the comparison table above, it is known that the result of the student attention scale in the class 2 learning process in pre-cycle, cycle 1 and cycle 2 have increased. Pre-cycle, students obtain high category 19.2% is 5 students. Students obtain medium category 58.6% is 16 students. Students obtain low category 22.2% is 6 students. So the average is 58.6. This is a medium category. In cycle 1, Student obtained very high category 11% in 3 students. Student obtained high category 16.5% is 17 students. Student obtained moderate category 26.2% is 7 students. So the average is 75% point 6. This is a medium category not meeting the success indicator of 80%. In cycle 2, student obtained very high category 37.5% is 10 students. Student obtained high category 51.5% is 14 students. Student obtained moderate category 11% is 3 students. Act 3 meeting the success indicator of 90%. Overall finding 1. There was a significant increase in student attention score from pre-cycle to cycle 2. The number of students is the high and very high category increased substantially over the course of the intervention. The average student attention score improved from moderate to high, very high. The success indicator of 90% of students achieving a high attention score was met in cycle 2. The conclusion of this research is this study showed that the use of icebreaking can increase the attention of second grade students of SD Negeri Ngabian. Step text 1. Consultation with the second grade teacher about learning tools. 2. Selection of type of icebreaking that will be used in teaching and learning activities, such as clapping game, song, yes, movement, and audiovisual. Research result before the implementation of icebreaking, students' attention had not reached 80%. After cycle 1, student attention increased to 75%. After cycle 2, student attention reached 90% with only 2 students having attention score below 70. That's all the presentation for me. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.